it out there. If you want to settle it up now, pay the $175 and go about your way. It would just be like an expensive parking ticket. It won't be anything on your record, no abstraction or anything. You want to speak with the lawyer?
Because I don't have the 175 at the moment.
I'll give you some time to pay out. You're working, aren't you?
Yes, sir, but it's a whole bunch of stuff going on at the moment. But I'm trying to figure it out for you.
You want to speak with him?
Yeah, I can speak. I'll speak with him.
Yeah, I'll talk to you too.
I'll put you in a breakout room.
Okay.
Thank you, Judge.
That's not going to cost you anything to talk to him today.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you.
Who is that? This is Derek Gilmore. Okay, I have an attorney on the line. Counselor?
Yeah, I'm here.
No, I got your counselor. Are you down there with you have a client?
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Yes, Attorney David Newman. I'm here for defendant Jose Garcia Sanchez.
All right.
Today's scheduled for a hearing and also an arraignment, just for no insurance misdemeanor.
For some reason I have. Oh, that's why we have it. There's no offer in the file. Let me call the cases. All right, this is the City of Detroit versus Jose Garcia Sanchez, case number SP 11892281 and SP 11894791. Hearings for the record, please.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Attorney David Newman appearing on behalf of Jose Garcia Sanchez. Daytime scheduled for a hearing and also an arraignment.
All right, so we have a situation where Mr. Sanchez has been, there's an allegation that he's going 31 plus miles over the speed limit. Why? I mean, I can pretty much understand why he's young, but why you're going 31 miles over the speed limit, 31, or at least it's an allegation right now, I have no clue. And there's no offer in the file based on that. Based on that allegation, the only way he's going to get an offer is if he takes the Michigan Defensive Driving course. When we ask in this court to take the Michigan Defensive Driving course, submit that certificate to the court before you come back, and then be prepared to, in open court, to discuss things that you learned from that course. The more substance you bring, more substantive information you bring to the court, the better the deal will get. Right now, you're looking at a 4-point offense on your driving record, and then you have the no insurance misdemeanor. I've seen the prosecutor go all the way down to dismissing the case. I don't know if he's likely to dismiss a 31 over, but he's dismissed cases because people are so well in that class and brought so much information. But at very least, he's gone as low as a 0-point blocking traffic offense. So you have to let me know whether your client would like to take avail himself to that class and take that class. We'll give him 30 days to do that, or we can set a date for trial and formal hearing.
Can I have a moment to speak with him, Your Honor?
Certainly.
This was just brought to our attention. Thank you.
Join that room, sir. All right, we have, Lynette Lister. You're muted, ma'am. All right. How about, Mr. Gilmore Griffin? What does he want to do?
After speaking to Mr. Gilmore, he would like to avail himself of the offer, Judge.
All right. All right, we're back on the record with Mr. Chris Charles, let's strike that, Mr. Charles Griffin.
Yes, sir.
Giving you an opportunity to speak with, counsel in the breakout room. The offers are blocking traffic. I still have not yet received, let me see.
Wait,
Maybe
I had a problem with the email, so I just resent it again. It keeps saying that the address that I'm sending it to is not the right address. It says mail delivery subsystem address not found. You said Sean.Perkins at 36districtcourt.org. That's what I put in.
yeah, did you typed it in just like that?
Yes, sir.
Oh,
Here.
well,
Let me check the chat one more time to make sure.
I don't know, Counselor, maybe they took me off the rolls and I'm not supposed to be here.
I don't think that's true.
Well, I'm trying to send it because I have it here. Hold on.
All right, listen. I trust that you have your documents, sir.
Okay.
So, blocking traffic, $175. You want that deal or you want to go to trial?
I'll take the deal, and when is the latest I can pay it?
He needs a little time to pay, Your Honor.
All right. So, sir, you can. How much time do you need?
At least like a couple weeks.
I'll give you 30 days. You can get it in 30 days?
Yes, sir.
All right. All right. And for the purposes of the responsible plea, will your client stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the stop?
Yes, Your Honor. Yes, he will.
And for the purpose of dismissal, will he stipulate the probable cause for the other matter?
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to dismiss SP 1187706 counts 2 and 3 and SP 1187711 because you provided valid documentation. And I'm going to find you responsible to the amended count of blocking traffic with the SP 1187706 ticket. And I'm going to fine you $175. And I'm going to give you until November 8th, 2021 to pay. I'm going to set that for a review. If you paid it by then, you don't have to show back up. But I'm going to set it for a review at 8:25. If you haven't paid it, you got to be back here at 8:25 in the morning on November 8th to see what's going on.
Okay.
All right?
Yes, sir.
Anything further, sir? I mean, you want to say something about the speeding now?
I think you prefer not to talk, Judge.
I'm good.
All right.
Have a great day, sir.
There it is. I wasn't going to jam them up. I just wanted to hear the story, but if your client, your attorney, advised you not to say anything, so I'm going to suggest you take the advice of your attorney.
Yep. Have a good day, sir.
Have a good day.
Yep.
All right. So, Mr. Newman,
Yes, Your Honor.
what does your client want to do?
My client would like to avail, the opportunity to take that driving course.
I'm gonna put it in the chat, just so he knows exactly which one to take.
Yeah, is it going to be the 1-day course, Your Honor?
Yes, MichiganDefensiveDriving.com. Please select the Detroit defensive driving option. And I put my email address in the chat so that he can send that over to me before, upon completion, and I'll have that for his file for the court date.
Okay.
So I'll give you till November the 8th to complete it. I want you back at 8:30 a.m. Please, sir, take the class seriously, take copious notes so that you can get yourself something that's a lot better than 4 points on your driving record, all right?
Jose,
Yep.
unmute yourself.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, anything further? And
Yes,
I don't know,
yes.
I don't
Yes,
know
Your
whether the
Honor.
allegations are, I don't know whether the allegations are true, but you need to slow down anyway if they are. Anything further?
Yes, Your Honor. So there is also that no insurance misdemeanor that is scheduled for an arraignment today. Do you want us to proceed with that one and, waive the formal reading and stand mute?
Yeah, we'll waive the formal reading, stand mute. I'll either not guilty, I'll put a $0 bond on it, and that'll be back on November the 8th as well.
Thank you, Your Honor. I appreciate it.
Have a great day.
Thank you as well.
Thank you.
All right.
Me too. Thank you.
So we have Lynette Lister. You have to unmute yourself, ma'am. Have you been able to unmute? You don't know how to unmute yourself. Go to the button on the right, bottom right audio button. You should be able to unmute yourself from there.
Your Honor, well.
Hello?
I apologize.
Yes,
What
yes,
did,
Ms. Williams.
what did we just do with Mr. Garcia Sanchez? I know we were off and we went on.
Mr. Garcia Sanchez has going to take the Michigan Defensive Driving course. He'll be back on November 8th.
Judge Perkins, can you hear me now?
Yes, I can hear you. Good
Okay.
afternoon.
Good afternoon.
All right, let's call the case. This is the City of Detroit versus Lynette Marie Lister, case number SP 1186032, counts 1 and counts 2. Let me ask you this, ma'am, do you have proof of insurance?
Your Honor, the car was sold to my nephew back in July of 2020.
Let me ask you this.
So
You have a vehicle now?
I have a vehicle, but I didn't have that vehicle. I sold it to him. He just never took my name off of it. I never knew he even got a ticket.
Well, that's something that you may want to talk to the lawyer about then. The offer today, right now, is to plead to allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. I'll fine you $240 for that. I'll dismiss that immediately upon payment of the $240, and the other matter will be dismissed. But you can speak with the lawyer, or I can set a trial date and we can figure it out on that day.
No, I'll pay it and I'll get the money from my nephew.
Well, you don't want to speak with the lawyer, ma'am?
No, I'll pay the fine.
Well, you've got to be able to, your client's got to be able to establish a factual basis to the allowing. In my estimation, that's one of the hardest things for the people to prove, but how do you want to do that, counselor?
Is it possible I go in a breakout room with her just to
Oh,
explain
sure.
the rights there?
If she wants to.
Okay,
Mind?
yeah. Yeah.
Join that room now. Jalen Ogleson.
Hello.
Yes.
How you
Mr.
doing? My
Ogleson.
name is Jalen Oglesby. I can't really hear.
What do you mean you can't really hear?
Is it? Hello.
What do you mean you can't really hear?
I can hear now.
You can hear now? All right, sit tight. We're gonna pull your file, and we will get with you as soon as we can. All right?
Yes, sir.
There's no offer,
You said what?
no offer in the file for Mr. Bowles.
Nothing in the file. Mr. Gilmer,
Yes,
how old are you? You're only 24 years old.
this month I turned 24. Yeah.
Just 23 years old. Just what 20? And you managed to get 15. Not you have 15 pending cases.
Yeah, I can explain it though, and it really
No,
not
you
gonna
can't.
take.
No.
I
You
can.
cannot.
I really can.
One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And then that doesn't include the ones that are closed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Hello?
Hello? All right. Let's go
Okay.
back on with Mrs. Lynette Lister. And I've given you an opportunity to speak with the lawyer. Ms. Lister, Counselor, what would your client like to do?
I think, based on the facts that she's represented to me, that this case should be set for a trial and possibly resolved then.
All right, is that what you want to do, ma'am?
Yes.
All right, let's set this for a trial. And let's say December 9th,
Okay.
2021 at 9 a.m.
Okay.
All right, let's make sure that this local insurance and this civil infraction doesn't get put into default.
Okay.
All right, if there's nothing further, I'll see you back on December 9th at 9 a.m.
Okay, thank you.
Judge, could you also have her bring her current insurance on her vehicle now?
Yeah, bring your current insurance on your vehicle now, ma'am.
I will.
All right, have a great day. I'll see you then.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Ron.
All right, let's get with Mr. Gilman. All right, Mr. Gilmer, you there?
Yes.
All right, let's call the cases. Now, the only problem I have, Counselor, is that he's got these cases with only 4 are represented on the. I'm going to try to get the city attorney in here
Okay.
to get an updated offer for him.
Sounds good, Your Honor.
I would love to hear his reasoning behind all these tickets, but I'm sure you're going to advise him not to say anything.
Right, exactly. Loose lips sink ships.
Yes, they do. You hear that, Mr. Gilmer? Take that advice. Let's see if we can get him in here. All right, until then, let's see what Mr. Oglesby's story is.
Yes, sir.
No offer here.
Yes.
This may be an easy.
I didn't hear you. What'd you say, Mr. Perkins?
No, hold on. I thought it was, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, Mr. Oglesby, do you have a valid driver's license?
No, sir, but I have my permit.
All right. That's not where the paper is turning on. All right, we'll wait on an offer for both of you.
Okay.
And then we'll get you on your way, or we can set a trial date if you don't like the offer.
I don't like the offer.
Yeah, I'm gonna wait for the city attorney to come in here and get an offer and put it in your file. And if you don't like the offer, then we can set a trial date. You can go to trial on it.
I would like to go to trial on all of mine.
You want to go to trial, Mr. Gilmer?
Yes.
All right. Well, we can do that right now. You don't want to speak with the lawyer first? Or wait and see what the offer's going to be?
I can, but I mean, I got a lot of tickets. I'd rather just go to trial so I can at least try to beat some of them.
All right, let's do this. Let's call the case. You entered into an agreement on 4/28/21, 2021, and a failure to display a valid driver's license, and you owed some money on that, and you never paid.
When I tried to get on Zoom, I got in the wrong courtroom. So when I texted my lawyer, he made me a new court date, and that was for today for everything, like all the tickets I got.
No, this is some stuff you've had before that you got last year that you went to court on, and you pled guilty to the amended count of failure to display. and you never paid.
How much was it?
Now this other, it's listed here as $372.
Oh, okay. So do I just pay that whenever, or just wait to the trial date, or what?
Well, I would just wait to the trial date now. Well,
Okay.
are you gonna try to come back in here with a license?
Yeah, I'm gonna try, but I didn't know I could get my license until I thought I had to get my tickets cleared before I go get my license.
Counselor, I will allow him to at least pay the $45 reinstatement fee so he can get a license.
Okay.
That would go a long way for him to come back in here with a license and help him clear up all these matters that he has this real good excuse for getting. That you won't allow me to hear. I really want to hear it, but
I want you to hear it.
all right, so let's call the cases. This is the City of Detroit versus Derek Anthony Gilmer. Case number SP 108-17712. That's the one that needs some pay. Then it's SP 1136720, counts 1, 2, and 3. We also have SP 1136831. We have SP 1142877. SP 1151082, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1151131. SP 1187261, counts 1 and 2 and 3. SP 1187391. Appearances for the record, please.
Andrew DiMaggio on behalf of Mr. Derek Gilmore.
All right. And state your name for the record, Mr. Gilmer.
Derek Gilmer.
Very well. So you indicated that you want a trial date. What I will do is I will allow you to pay the $45 reinstatement fee on the SP 108-17712. You want that again?
Oh, yeah.
SP 108-17712. And that way, it appears that you can go get a driver's license. Unless you have something else out there in other jurisdictions. I don't know if you have anything out there in other jurisdictions that would be holding your license up. Do you or not?
No, not that I'm aware of. I haven't caught any tickets like in no other cities or nothing like that. Just Detroit, as far as I know. So I don't think so.
How you know? As far as you know, you ought to know when you got pulled over.
I got pulled over in a lot of places, but I didn't get no tickets because all my registration and like my tags was always up to date. So I didn't get no. That's what I'm saying. I didn't get no tickets anywhere else. And they haven't sent me. I haven't got nothing in the mail from nowhere else in months. So I mean, obviously not. So.
Mr. Gilmer, man, you got some growing up to do, sir. All right, so I'm going to allow you to pay the $45. I'm going to set a trial date for December 9th, 2021 at 9 a.m. We will be back on that date, and we'll try to get some resolution to all this. But it would go a long way for you if you can bring a driver's license in here by that time. First and foremost, write this down. You have an ink pen?
Yes, I can put it in my notes right now on my phone.
All right. Write this ticket number down.
Okay.
This is the ticket I want you to pay the $45 reinstatement fee. How is that gonna work?
How was it gonna work?
Is he gonna just be able to pay the 45?
Yeah, how long I put in the system?
Do you think you can do that online, or is he gotta come down to the court to do that?
Yeah, I don't know if it'll be able to let him just pay the $45 online. I know we could do it because we have to put it on the specifics
Yes.
as a cashier.
I think you need to come down to the courthouse.
I'm gonna have to come down there anyway because I don't have no type of card or nothing to pay anything online. I only got cash.
All right, well, come down and then this ticket number is SP. Write this down.
Okay,
SP, S is in Sean Perkins, just like my name.
Okay.
SP 108 177 12.
You said SP or ST?
SP.
Okay, SP 108 177 12.
Yes, and we're making a note on that ticket to pay the reinstatement fee. And that will allow you to pay that $45 and get a clearance at the Secretary of State. Let's put on that ticket too.
So are you telling me to pay that ASAP like right now or just anytime before my next court date?
No, I want you to pay that now. I want you to pay that now, and I want you to come down here and pay that in the next day or so. And then I want you to go to set an appointment with the Secretary of State. And you see if you can get a driver's license.
Okay.
Let's run his license. Let's see if we're just wasting time here or not.
I never had a license before, so.
You ran it? You ran it already?
Yeah, I'm working on it.
All right, you have to go to Warren.
Huh?
You have to go to Warren as well.
Oh my God.
37th District Court.
Well, I never knew that.
Well, you know it now. I'm trying to get you straight, sir.
They didn't never send me nothing in the mail. They impounded my card. But
Go to Warren and get a court date. And get that taken care of. And then come down here and pay this $45. All right?
I hear you.
December 9th, 2021 at 9 a.m. I wonder if we should just set this for a pretrial.
What's the difference between that and a trial?
The trial is the officers are gonna all come in and show up, and it's gonna be a resolution one way or another, but I'm trying to get you.
Do that.
Huh?
I think I'd rather do that because like I said, I have a real valid reason why I caught these tickets, and I'm gonna keep saying that because I got the real reason. Like I really know the truth why I caught all these tickets. But I mean, we could wait to that day so I can explain, or however you want to do it.
You know, I get that you want to speak and that you want to air out your grievances, maybe with how this stuff transpired. But unless and until you can say this is not me, somebody else is using my name, that would possibly be the best defense. But other than that, you're driving without a license.
Yes, exactly. But at the same time,
I know at the same time, and I'm not going to get into all the specifics because I can't right now. I can let your lawyer do that, but I told you that it's a little bit of maturing that you got to do. You're a young man, and you're only 23 years old, and there's an element of some sort of responsibility at some point. And now is the time. And I'm not saying the responsibility is to admit anything, because I would never tell you that. But just being, and I get that you're probably upset that this stuff is transpired like that. It may be a case. They probably know you over there. And once they see you driving that car, I know he doesn't have a driver's license, I'm pulling him over. But other than that, sir, what I'm trying to do is, hey, get a driver's license first. You come in here with a license that holds a lot more weight, and people will look at you differently in this courtroom, and the offer will probably get a lot better if then. But we can set it as a trial date. Let me allow you to speak with Mr. DiMaggio, the lawyer. Speak with him for a minute, and you can tell him about everything. That's what he's there for.
That's my job. Thank you.
All right, Mr. Oglesby, I still haven't.
Yes, sir.
And you're about the same age as Mr. Gilman. Do you have a driver's license?
Oh, but I have a permit.
Yeah, you have a permit.
Yeah.
I still haven't gotten the city attorney hasn't come back in yet.
Okay.
What is it going to take for you to get a driver's license?
Oh, no, I'm about to head down there. I'm just about to go take care of it. I'm just about to go take care of it. What did you say?
What do you mean take care of it?
I'm about to go. I'm about to schedule me an appointment for the Secretary of State. I already passed the road test. I mean the little driver's test. I'm just gonna see if anywhere I can have that. It's probably past due where I have to reinstate it. I reinstate it and just go to same day road test. That's how I take care of it.
You would have to. You too would have to pay a reinstatement fee before.
Yes, sir.
The license as well. All right,
okay.
Let's call these cases. This is the City of Detroit versus Jalen Karan Oglesby. Case number SP 11-87697, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 11-87698, counts 1, 2, and 3. And SP 1220471. Ms. Nash, can we put that SP 1220471? SP 1220471. Can we allow Mr. Oglesby to pay the reinstatement fee for that?
Yeah.
We'll set aside the default in that as well. If we can do that as well, because I see that was ticket just got on 7/14/15/2021. So let's set aside the default on that, and let's see if Mr. Oglesby can go get a driver's license.
Yeah,
can we let the Secretary of State know that he's only set aside, so there's not a.
I'll send the email to the department downstairs.
Very well. All right, so Mr. Oglesby, I'm gonna set your date for a pretrial for December 9th, 2021 at 8:30 a.m. I need you to get down here, and I need you to, you have an ink pen with you, sir?
On me right now. No, but I have notes.
Can you put that in your, can you put this in your notes?
Yes. 8 o'clock, December the 9th.
No, I want you to put that in your notes too, but I want you to put this ticket number in your notes.
All right.
Let me know when you're ready.
I'm ready.
The SP 122-04741.
SP 122-04741.
Yes.
All right.
Come down to the court as soon as you can and pay that $45, and then go to the Secretary of State. A couple of days after that, it's going to take about 72 hours for that reinstatement fee to trigger to the Secretary of State.
Okay, I can take care. I'll try to go. I'm gonna set a schedule appointment. Matter of fact, I'm gonna try to schedule it right now if it ain't too late, so I can just go down there probably like tomorrow or something. Or I can pay the $45.
Listen to what I'm telling you to do, sir.
Yeah.
First thing you do is come down here and pay that $45 reinstatement fee. Give them that ticket number.
Right.
And then schedule your appointment for next week sometime. Because if you go in there tomorrow, they're not going to let you get a driver's license because that reinstatement fee is still on your record.
Right.
So you'll be wasting time.
Right.
And then stop driving.
Okay.
All right? So come down here today and pay this $45 reinstatement fee, give them that ticket number. I'm going to set a pretrial for December 9th, 2021. What's your phone number?
313-338-5107.
All right. I'm going to set a pretrial for December 9th, 2021. And by that time, you should be able to bring a driver's license in here, and we'll deal with those other tickets.
All right.
Now, you understand what you need to do?
Yes, come down there, pay the $45, go to Secretary of State.
That's it.
All right.
Bada boom, bada bing. All right?
All right.
Have a good day, sir.
All right, you too.
All right. All right, we're back on the record with Mr. Derek Gilmer. Mr. Gilmer, I've given you an opportunity to speak with Mr. DiMaggio in the breakout room, and I hope you had a good conversation with him. You there, sir?
Yes.
All right. So does that change anything on what your client wants to do, Mr. DiMaggio?
After talking to Mr. Gilmore, this is a complicated situation involving his line of work. I think it'd be prudent in this case just to set up for a trial date. It's the only way he really can resolve this.
Okay. All right.
Because he's driving multiple cars and picking up multiple tickets, and they're not even, he doesn't even own these cars. This is part of his line of work. So I think that's the issue. That's what he was saying. He had something to say, and that's what he told me. So I just believe he should set this for a trial date.
And I understand, listen, I'm not saying that he doesn't have, but the whole thing is, if he beats all of these tickets, he still got the driving while license expired, the no ops, and the things like that. I want Mr. Gilmore to go get a driver's license.
And I talked to him about that, and he's going to take care of the warrant situation. And you were generous enough to give him that $45 to pay that too. So he wants to work on that too.
Are you gonna work on that, sir?
Yes, I'm gonna get it done ASAP. After I get off here, I gotta call my lawyer and explain to him everything so we can try to get that done ASAP. So I can try to go take the test and get my license and all of that.
Who's your lawyer?
His name is Sincere. I got his card in here, but I gotta go find it. I'm texting him right now as we speak.
All right, well, just get that stuff taken care of. I'll keep this as a trial date, December 9th, 2021. And good luck to you. And I'll see you back on December 9th, 2021 at 9 a.m.
Okay, thank you. Have a good day.
All right, have a good day.
Thank you, Judge, for going the extra mile. We'll try to get him on the right track. So thank you.
Yeah, we're gonna try. We're gonna try. I mean, maybe young guys, I mean, we got kids their age. I got kids their age. You probably got kids my age, right? Well, not really my age.
Not that old, but
No.
you still look very young, Judge.
I'm 49 as of the other day. My birthday was October 2nd.
Oh, okay.